Welcome back, boys and girls. Now we're going to look at our second word search puzzle. We're going to spell the word, read the word, and find it. This is your word search puzzle. You're looking for the words there, they, one, was, an, of, to, we, my, and by. As we go through and spell the words and read the words, you'll pause the video to find the words. Then you will mark them out at the bottom of the page. Let's get started. Our first word is a, in, an. Now you will pause the video and find the word an. After you find the word an, mark it out at the bottom of the page. Our second word is O-N-E, one. Now you will pause the video and find the word one in your puzzle. Then you will mark it out at the bottom of the page. One. Our next word, W-A-S, was. Now you're going to find the word was in our word puzzle. Then you will mark it out at the bottom of the page. Be sure to pause the video while you search for the word was. Your next word is O-F, of. Find the word of in your word search puzzle. Pause your video, find the word of, and mark the word of out at the bottom of the page. T-O, to. You will pause the video and find the word to in your word search puzzle. Then you will mark the word to out at the bottom of the page. Be sure to pause the video while you find the word to. W-E, we. You will pause the video and find the word we in your word search puzzle. After you find the word we, mark the word we out at the bottom of the page. Again, be sure you pause the video while you find the word we. T-H-E-R-E, there. Pause the video and find the word there in your word search puzzle. After you find the word there, mark it out at the bottom of the page. Remember to pause the video while you search for the word there. M-Y, my. You will pause the video while you search for the word my. After you find the word my, mark it out at the bottom of the page. My. B-Y, by. You will search for the word by at the bottom of the page. You will mark it out after you find it in the puzzle. Remember to pause the video while you find the word by. T-H-E-Y, they. Again, pause your video while you find the word they. Once you find the word they in your word puzzle, you will mark it out at the bottom of the page. Practice reading these words to yourselves or to someone at home. Thank you for your hard work, boys and girls. Keep up the good work.